Hey, welcome back to the video. Stick around. In the course of this video, we're going to be going to Bunnings Warehouse, which is my local hardware store, to pick up a few supplies for this home renovation that we're doing. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and let me know in the comments below if you want to see more motorbike videos. This is my favorite top coat ever. Chalk 4T, made by Pro Plaster. It's the best stuff in Australia. I should have mixed this, but look, you'll see how good it works even without a mix. So smooth, so beautiful. I've got Eugene here, he's doing some architraves. I've got to quickly get in front of him. Everything left along here is going to be covered, okay? So if you see that, how big the architrave is, you'll see. So that's perfect. You only need to do the bits that are going to be visible. So you've got architrave going all along here, so really you only need to just go just like that. So I tape in with a 6-inch, second coat with an 8. With this top coat, I use a minimum 12-inch drywall blade or paddle. Others use a trowel. Personally, I think a trowel leaves it nicer. Let me know what you're comfortable with. Even a flat box if you have a whole house to do and it's new work rather than a home renovation like this one. Okay, once you've done that, get a smaller blade if you like, angle it like this, smoothen that edge. I'll fix that up, it has a little bit of a mark on it. There we go, and then we're going to just go one more through the middle. And that's pretty good. Then when you go to sand, just sand the edge ever so slightly, like this kind of bit, this edge here, and then just a little buff in the middle, and that's it. Let me just finish this bit and then we'll get out of here. Take that edge. You can see I've got a nick in my blade because I use it for things I shouldn't. And then it leaves a little line. It's okay though. I probably just picked up the wrong one. I've got about a few of these because I use them for the wrong reason. Chipping corners. There we go. Let's get the rest of these screws. When I'm doing screws and that sort of thing, I never used to, but now I don't just go any way like that. I'll try and do the same thing every time, like go like that, across the whole ceiling or whatever it is. It makes it look a lot nicer. And also when you're sanding, normally you're going with the sanding machine, you want to keep that doing the same movement as well. Now what we really have to do is set these joints here. That's the main thing what we're doing here. And this one outside while Eugene's not there. be everywhere you get that edge. Pull that edge down, smoothen that edge, smoothen this edge. Remember, that's all going to be covered by the architrave as well. So as long as that's all good, which it is, it's good. It's not thick. There's a little bit of an edge there. That cornice, just like that there. Cornice line's going to be going to here. So everywhere around that high, it's got to be finished, ready to finish, ready for sand. That will sand it right. That will do. Some people might think that's too big for a simple screw patch, but it's blended nicely. It's fast to sand anyway. Remember, I did scrape everything back. Scraped everything back first, so you want to do that. So our joins there, make that beautiful. Just feathering that edge so it's not so sudden. Same with this one. Corner line's going along there. So we want to make sure everything else is good. There we go. Everything else can be sanded out. But it's pretty good, pretty flat. That angle. You can see that. Oh, you had a good angle there too, didn't you? You see that's nice and flat with sandy edge. And maybe after this maybe my next video, I'm going to do a time lapse of the entire process in this kitchen. I'll just speed it up, I'll make it a 2-minute video to see all the work that we put into it. do that with a pan. Take those edges. And just like that, beautiful. It's alright, I know the sander, he's my friend, he's a great guy, good looking. Now this could bubble, see this here? Not sure if you can see it. I originally went over brown paper. And once you put this top coat on it, that's when it likes to bubble. Trust me. Call 1-800-KITCHENS for you. We've got you covered. Call 1-800-KITCHEN Guru to your door. Call the Kitchen Cowboy right now. That's right. Don't let that go. You need to put some more screws in. See that? So there's either timber that way or that way. So we'll try this way. I won't screw it all the way yet. I'll leave the head out. And I'll put them in gradually, or else it might, if you put one at a time, it might just pop. That's an old nail. That's an old nail. Gotta be punched back. Not a screw. Oh no, it was a screw, which is good. Okay, that's rectified. Is that what you're laughing at? That's not very nice, huh? That would hurt me. That's alright, like I said, I know the sander. He's a top bloke. Good looking bloke. He works around the clock. He'll be back. Nearly there.
It wouldn't.
Oh yeah. We're actually, there's going to be a wall that goes up around the whole lot.
Ah.
I know what you're thinking. That's more work. Yeah, it is. But once it's done forever. this kitchen. It's going to be here when I'm dead. I get little things in there if you don't scrape back properly. Get little things in the mix. Yeah, there's a wall a bulkhead that's going right along here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is cut out a hole here and join our range rod before we put that bulkhead up. There's actually one more bit of top coat over here to do. And you're thinking, what's this here? It's because the sink installers, they didn't have clamps, did they? Top blokes. Alright, that's it. Top coating's done. No, it's not. Put that one wall over there. This is the exciting wall. Okay. We've joined the wall. Joins here. New sheet, old wall. Once it's painted, you've got this light down the end here. It needs to be really good. But some people, they coat the entire wall. You don't need to do that. I don't know why people are doing that. They coat the whole wall. It's such a big job. When I'll show you, I'll get it perfect. It's all in the sand, the undercoating, with a nice roller. Light sand in between. Take that edge.